How to upload fonts in Canva. First, go to Google Fonts website link in the description box or any other fonts website you like. On the right side, you will see all the language writing system. Then all the language categories in the world. Here are a bunch of font styles. Click on the category like, or you can search from the top search section. Then select the font you like from this category. Click on Get Font. Then download all. Open the font folder and extract it. Now go to canva.com. Click on Brand. Click on Fonts. Click Add to Category and upload a font. Add New. Select the downloaded fonts and then open. Now go to your design. Add a text. Click on Fonts option. Scroll down the list and here you will see all the uploaded fonts. Also, you can search for the font name you uploaded and apply it to your text. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.